Thinking about starting your own business? Forming an LLC is one of the easiest ways to protect yourself legally while looking professional. And LegalZoom makes the process super beginner friendly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start an LLC using LegalZoom step by step. First, go to LegalZoom's website and choose Start My LLC. You'll enter your business name and select your state. LegalZoom will instantly check if your business name is available in your state. If it's not, they'll ask you to pick another. Next, you'll fill out detail about your business, what kind of services or products you offer, your business address, and whether your LLC will have one member or multiple. It's a clean, guided process with prompts that explain everything clearly. Then comes the key part, choosing additional services. LegalZoom will offer extras like an EIN, which you do need for taxes and opening a bank account, so remember that, an operating agreement, and a registered agent. These aren't required, but they're useful if you want LegalZoom to handle everything for you. If you're unsure and you can pick what fits your budget or needs right now, you'll also pick a filing speed, standard filing or expedited, depending on how fast you want to be up and running. After reviewing everything, you'll complete your payment and LegalZoom will file your paperwork with the state. Once your LLC is approved, LegalZoom sends you your formation documents and anything else you ordered. You're now officially a business owner with limited liability protection. If this breakdown helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want me to compare LegalZoom to Zen Business, InkFile, or do a full pricing breakdown. More guides are coming for entrepreneurs in 2025, so keep on hustling.